Happy Thursday, everyone. It's our last day for the week. Remember, we have off tomorrow. Today, there's no real learning video that goes with the activities today because we're now just using what we've learned and what we've worked on this week and applying it. I'm giving you two recipes, okay, and you're going to have to do some work with those recipes. All right, and then just like on Tuesday, when you're done all that work, you'll submit it on Schoology. So if we take a quick look at one of the recipes, this is what it'll look like. You're giving all the ingredients and how much of each ingredient you need. Then the recipe, as written above, will serve 6 people. I mean, 6 people can eat this recipe. All right, but if Mary has a family of 18, what does she need to do to each ingredient to make enough of this recipe for her whole family? Okay, so then what you'll do is whatever you have to multiply by, multiply each ingredient by that amount, and then on a separate sheet, write down the new recipe, explain how you figured out. Okay, that's it. There's two that are very similar. Okay, so you go on to Schoology, do those two activities, and then there's a extension activity where you get to use your own recipe. So if your family has a favorite recipe you guys like, or if you want to go online and look up a recipe, or if you just want to create your own recipe, all right, make sure you do that. I believe in Schoology it gives you a little couple requirements. I think each recipe has that the recipe that you use for this extension piece has to have at least 4 fractions or mixed numbers. Okay, so obviously we know what a fraction is. Remember, a mixed number would be like 3 1/5. That would be a mixed number. If we look back here, 7 1/3. That's 7 1/3. That's not 71 thirds. All right, so make sure you pay attention to that as well. Office hours today are from 1 to 2. If you have any questions, this might be one where some of us do have questions, and please feel free to come. The Zoom link is on Schoology as well. And then you have a 4-day weekend. All right, 4 days of school, 4 days off school. Not too bad of a gig. All right, and this is like our spring break. So I hope you guys have fun with this today. And if you do not come to our office hours today, I hope you guys have a great weekend and I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday. Have a good day.